Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up and use the EL-Enviropad, including how to use spot check and data logging mode and how to transfer collected data to a PC. The device comes with a small amount of charge, but should be charged for 24 hours before use. Once charged, line up and insert the thermocouple into the port on the top of the unit. Press the button below the LCD to turn the unit on. First, spot check measurement mode. Press measurement to enter. In the white box, you can see the current temperature as well as the maximum and minimum recorded temperatures. At any time, you can press the red record button to save the current reading. The saved reading appears on the right-hand side. The thermocouple instantly responds to changes in temperature. Press record to save as many temperature readings as required. Once complete the spot check, press save to save your data file or back to return to the main menu. Next is data logging mode. Press data logging to enter. You can choose between quick setup, this will take you straight to data recording, or full setup. This allows you to select measurement and logging parameters. In full setup, you can select the required sample collection rate. Press the up and down arrows to select the rate, and next to confirm. Select the high alarm setting, you can turn this on or off. If turned on, you can select the high alarm temperature. Then press next to continue. Next is the low alarm setting. You can turn this on or off. If turned on, the next screen will be the same as with high temperature and allow you to select the low alarm temperature. On this screen, you can select between an immediate or a delayed start. If selecting delayed, you can select the date and time you would like to start logging. As soon as we press start, the logger begins automatically collecting temperature data at 1 second intervals. As with measurement mode, you can see the 5 most recent saved samples on the LCD. Removing the probe from the ice and bringing it back to room temperature displays the alarm function. The high alarm was set to 10 degrees. As soon as that temperature is reached, the meter begins to flash red and emit an audible alarm. There is an option to mute the alarm. Pressing stop recording takes you to a save screen. Here, you can name or save your file or discard the data. The third option on this screen is to view logs. This allows you to view any saved data files. Click into the saved file you want to view the data for, and it gives a breakdown of the date, time, and recorded temperature. You can also view the temperature on a graph by selecting Graph. The last option on the home screen is Settings. Here, you can select temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit, select time and date settings, set up a probe type. The included probe is type K, so the meter automatically defaults to type K. And under Advanced, you can select power options such as backlight and power saver. Status, here you can view the interface information and current status. Under log file, you can set up the time, date format, file extension, and checklist file handling. And the last option allows you to name your unit. Connect the EL-Enviropad to the PC via the included USB cable. The PC will detect that the device has been connected. Locate the files and double-click to open. The data opens as an Excel file, and here you can view the log number, date, time, temperature, and set alarm. From this Excel format, your data can easily be saved, graphed, and shared. For more information on this meter, or to speak to an Instrument Choice scientist, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this setup and walkthrough of the EL-Enviropad Thermometer helpful. Thanks for watching!